Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be obviously a holiday Christmas look. Kiss New York Professional Top Brow Cream in the color blonde. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I am gonna go in with the e.l.f. putty primer. In with the Beauty Glaze palette, and this is the color Studio Pressed powder eyeshadow one, and I'm gonna go in with this purple, dark purple one. Into the James palette, I'm gonna go in with this like burgundy purple shade. Going in with my JEFFREE Star Concealer, I'm just gonna cut the crease. Concealer, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl in Porcelain, and just use this one to cut the crease, cause girl, ain't nobody trying to spend my $22 foundation on a cut crease. Go back into the navy blue shade. The different brush, I'm gonna pick up the emerald green one. I finished both eyes right now with just the eyeshadow part, so I did go in with that navy blue shade and the outer crease, and I ended up with these two in the middle, and then I went in with the James palette and I just used the white shade for my inner corners. Now I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner real quick. Did my eyeliner, and I just did it up across the eye. I didn't do a wing liner because I'm gonna intensify the outer crease with a black eyeshadow, blend into the wing liner with the black eyeshadow from the James palette. So now I already took my glitters out. I'm not sure what color I want to apply on my eyelid. I'm just gonna put it in the outer area. I'm already applying the glitters together. That my eyes are done and I already applied the glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes. These are the Retro Tree 25mm wispy lashes, and these are in the number 01. I bought these from my job. I work at a beauty supply store, you guys, so I bought these there. Just if y'all are wondering, that's where I got them from. Apply this little sample primer from OFRA. I bought my highlighters and they sent that little package to try out or whatever, and I really freaking enjoy this shit. So matte, and I'm not really that much oily, you guys. I'm more like oily to dry skin, if that makes sense. I don't know, I'm like combo skin. I could be either both, but this one I just like to apply in my T-zone because that's where I get the most oily. LA Girl primer, LA Pro Coverage Foundation in Fair. I'm gonna use this foundation. Alright, now going back into the Beauty Glaze palette, I'm gonna go in with the navy blue shade first. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get y'all closer to my face, just so y'all can see how it end up looking. Face, baby. using my Maybelline bronzer in Deep Soap. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with the OFRA highlighter. This is all of the lights, and I'm just gonna go in with these 3 right here. These are really pigmented, you guys, so you really don't even need that much. I'm picking up way too much. Okay, so this inner corner eyeshadow that I'm applying is from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using the white shade. As you could tell, I love this freaking shade, you guys. Like, this is literally the best white crystal color. So I'm gonna apply that in my inner corners and on my brow bone just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these Kiss products for my lips. I also bought these where I worked. This is the Kiss matte lipstick in Celeste, so it's like a nude brown. And then this is a lip liner also from Kiss. This is in the color brown. Like I was saying, these are $2.99, you guys, and they're so pigmented and creamy. I freaking love these. I'm gonna apply the liquid lip. I haven't tried this liquid lipstick, so hopefully it's not too drying. Oh, that's literally like the perfect shade for the lip liner. Oh wow, it looks like it could be a wow, this is really pretty. It looks like the perfect combo. Oh my god, love that. Hey guys, so I am done with this makeup tutorial, with this Christmas makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you so this is the end of the makeup look. Well, it's already been quite some time. I already ate. My makeup's already all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more makeup tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, remember subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment anything down below that you guys will want to see. This makeup tutorial, I got like gooey shit, I don't know, but the makeup tutorial, I didn't want to make it long, you guys, because I know some of you guys get bored of me. So I was like, let me make it quick and easy, you know, because everybody kind of already knows the basics. So I just wanted to really show y'all everything except like my face, because that's just like, oh, I like to, oh my god, you guys, so I bought this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 16-Hour Powder Foundation. It looks like this. I'm in the shade Natural Beige, and this powder is so good. I like to use it just to mattify my face a little bit, because especially with the foundation that I use, the LA Grow one, this one tends to get oily after like a good 4 hours, so I always have to mattify my face. But I really love the foundation because it's like it gives you a satin glow. Also, seeing that in the video, I didn't mention what glitters I used on my face. So I used this little chunky glitter from Super Glitters. This is called Midas Touch, and it's just like a chunky, it says right there chunky, I don't know if you can see it, but it's just like a chunky gold. And then I used this purple glitter. This is also a chunky glitter mixed with fine glitter. Ooh, I don't want to drop it, but I mixed those two together. The purple glitter is from Creative Cosmetics. It's a girl here in Houston, she sells them. So I remember I met her up and I bought some of her glitters, well, literally all her glitters, because I really like them. So check them out, girl. Check them out. Check them out. Just if anybody was wondering what glitters I was using, because I forgot to tell you in the video. For Black Friday, you guys, this is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and doesn't say the name, but this little plumping shits from elf are really good. Obsessed with the look, dude. I think the next look I'm gonna do is gonna be a blue one tomorrow, hopefully. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up doing a blue one, but I'll be sure to record more Christmas looks if y'all guys want to see that. But let me end this video here already, and if you haven't seen my Vlogmas videos, go check that out, you guys. I think I already posted 4 for now, because I did start a little too late. Better late than never, right? So yeah, I'll see ya in my next video. Bye guys.